Okay, YouTube, I got another video here for you. Today I have been seeing, over the last few days, I've been seeing these LG phones coming in with this LG IMS stopping problem. Apparently it's an issue with LG phones that are used on T-Mobile networks. That'll include Boost Mobile and Metro PCS, Simple Mobile, anybody that uses T-Mobile's towers. So I'm going to go ahead and reboot the phones. As you can see, I have a LG Stylo 5 and a LG Tribute Monarch. Doesn't necessarily matter which company, as long as it's on the a company that uses the T-Mobile network, like Metro PCS, and you'll see in a few seconds that the other phone on the right, the LG Monarch, is a Boost Mobile phone, as you see there, Boost Mobile. So when I originally encountered this problem, I figured it might have something to do with the particular app that the customer had installed, or a virus, something going on with the phone itself. And so I've tried things like uninstalling apps and rebooting the phone, doing a factory reset. As you see, I just rebooted both of these phones, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to recreate the problem. I noticed that sometime when you would do a call, it would make the problem come up. Some people said they had the issue after they tried to play a video on YouTube, but I'm kind of just playing around with the phones here, trying to get the problem to recreate. Let me I think I'll go ahead and just initial here locally. If you call 72s, it'll get you to yeah, there it is. Boom. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. See this one, it pulled it up there, and as you see, when you try to initiate a call there, that's when you start to have the problem. So anyway, from that being said, I've done a reboot, did not fix the problem. So now, with no further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix the problem. What you want to do is go to settings here, and then you're going to go to your apps. Find apps there, apps and notifications, app info here. And then you're going to want to make it show all. Right up here at the top, click on this, and you got to show system. I'm sorry. Yeah, click on it. Show system to make it show the system apps also. And then scroll through down. I think I actually scrolled. I'm scrolling way too far. What am I doing? I'm gonna scroll back up, and it's gonna be. It starts with com. Let's see. Find it here. Back to the C's. I don't know what I was doing there before. Sorry about that. Come on, where is it? Yeah, this one here, com.lg.imsrcs provider. That's the one you want to look for there. So you're going to go ahead and click on that one right there. Boom. And once you go inside, as you can see it there, the whole thing, you can't really see it on the other screen, but you're going to click on storage. And I'm going to go ahead and do a clear cache before. Technically, clear data will clear the cache also, but I do that before. And it takes a little couple seconds. And after that, you're going to go back. And then I always do a force stop afterwards. If you do a force stop before all it's going to do is bring up the same error. I'll actually show you that later on with the other phone. So that one's done. So now I'm going to go over here to this other one. And so here we go into settings and then apps real quickly. And then app info up here at the top. This phone is like awfully slow. Sorry about that. And then system, show system apps. Again, sorry for the slow phone. Come So now we're in here. I'm gonna scroll down to the C's. And as of course it's popping up again. So annoying. And there we go. And we're gonna, once we get it to scroll, I'll see, I'm gonna try and do the force stop there, and it pops right back up. So you do the force stop afterwards. So go ahead and go to storage and clear cache, clear data. Okay. Once it's done, back out. And go ahead and do a force stop. And then when you do the force stop, it does not pop up again. So it's complete now. So the problem is fixed. I hope this video helps you. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Have a good day.